Hey Jonathan, this is Brianna with Toriar Digital Marketing. Alex had spoken with my associate Amber and let her know that we could send you this video. I'm just making this quick video to give you tips on how to have your website speaking Google's language so you can start bringing in more customers for free. We're doing this because I used to own my own roofing company here in Alaska, so I do understand the struggles contractors go through, and I understand that business owners reach a point where they're so busy running the business, they don't have that free time to sit in front of a computer screen and learn how to make the internet work for them to bring the business to them. And we found the biggest thing holding owners back from hiring a marketing agency to do it is obviously not knowing which one is going to be an expert or a waste of time and money. So we believe in giving that value up front, and we've been making these free plans of attack and giving them away for free. And there's been a lot of owners who reach back out to us and ask for our help to get this stuff completed. So if after this video you see we know our stuff and we can deliver you good results, then you can always give us a call back to chat. If you want to take the information and just make changes to the site yourself, please do. This is free education for you. I'm only talking about 3 quick topics today: content, citations, and backlinks. So I'm on your homepage here, and you actually do have a beautifully listed site. Google is not ranking based on the appearance of the site, though. The appearance is for the customers. So Google is using these bots called crawlers that scan all of the content within your site, trying to find keywords to rank you for in the search results. So for Google, content is king. It's recommended that you have at least 1,500 words on the homepage and at least 500 words on each back service page. You also want to use a rule of thumb: 100 words of content for every 1 keyword. Having your site set up this way actually does 2 things. It's going to show Google that you're an expert in the industry, and it's going to have Google ranking your page on more search results at the top, which means more business. Now on this page, I've actually pulled up an example of a keyword here: handyman Las Vegas, and it's being searched 1,600 times a month. So it's a very good search volume, and the cost per click for running an ad is less than $7. Now I'm going to ignore Google Ads because a lot of people do use ad blocker, but they're going to see this Google Map Pack or Google My Business. To get this optimized, you want to add your company contact information, photos, and website. Then you need to go get citations. A citation is just an online directory like Yelp, Yellow Pages, White Pages, BBB. There's thousands out there, and you want your information on at least 100 directories more than your competitors to start ranking in the top 3 here, which is where customers spend their time. Now, if we continue down, the top 5 sites here in the organic search results, Google actually has rotating for the first position, but we don't care about the citation pages. Your top competitor is the Handyman of Las Vegas. So I'll be using their page as an example for the remainder of the video. Now, we can see here just how much content they put on their site to get on the first page. Obviously, they're using menus to hide things just like you guys are, which is completely fine. Now, for the other side of the site, we use a tool called Ahrefs. So I've pulled up your site, and this is showing what's happening on the back end. So your homepage has a ranking of 16. The domain ranking for the entire site is a 0.1. Now, you want these optimized at a 1-to-1 ratio. So the domain ranking is made by the backlinks. A backlink is when another site online is linking to your site and driving traffic to you. Because Google's competitive, they love backlinks, but they're not all made equal. So before you link to a site, you want to be sure that it's a high-ranking site and relevant to your industry. Right now, there's 53 links coming from 15 sites and 20 keywords. I also want to point out you're running ads, and I wanted you to see why it's important to know your keyword target for what the search volume is and what that cost per click is. So I showed you one that's getting 1,600 searches a month, less than $6.20, and you're paying for one that's getting 30 searches a month at $40 a click. So you just want to be wary that you're getting a good return on investment. I also want to point out I skipped over the Google Ads because a lot of people use ad blockers, so sometimes it's really not worth that investment. All of this right now is still bringing you no readable traffic each month. If we go over to your competitor, though, we can see their higher ranking sites. So what we would do is we'd scan through their 2,000 backlinks and find the best quality ones to put on your site. Then we'll go hunt down even more backlinks to make sure you're beating the competition. Now, their links are coming from 164 sites and they have 5,700 keywords. And all of this is giving them 1,800 traffic, and they're not running any Google ads. So even if only half the visitors to their site called and picked up the phone for them, that's still a lot of business that's happening each month. So the opportunity to really grow and scale your business is there. This also works well for getting employees. We just need Google's language on the site. So you're going to want at least 1,500 words on the homepage, at least 500 words on each back service page. Keep that rule of thumb, 100 words of content for every one keyword. Then you want to get your information into as many online directories as you can, and you want to go get high quality backlinks that are relevant to your industry. With these 3 steps, you will be ranking #1 across Google. I know this was a lot of information, but you can take it and apply it yourself. That's totally okay. This is free education. My team is really just looking for the feedback to be sure that we're delivering good value in these videos. If you did want any help getting this stuff done, though, because you're busy, go ahead and reach back out and we can have a chat and see if we're a good fit. We'll get your phone ringing off the hook with customers or employees, whatever you need. My partner will follow up in the next few days just to get your feedback. So thank you so much for taking the time to watch the video. I hope you got good value out of it. Take care.